How to buy fitcoin token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money in was on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below, fund your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, go and check their X account and keep following their updates about this token, and don't forget to engage with their community. As you can see, they have a 384 members community there. So as you can see, this token is available in the screener. It created 23 hours ago and increased by 1000% in the last 24 hours. And as you can see, this token trending number 8 in this Solana section. Now I will show you how to buy this token. It's easy and simple. Just click here to copy the token address and open your phone to wallet. For that, as you can see, after that, click here on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste token address in the search bar. As you can see, this is our token. Now click on it, and now after that, click on I understand. Now here you can type how much you want to buy, and here you will be able to see how much you receive that token. After that, click on pricing, click on provider. Now select Jupiter, click on apply. Now go back, and here you will be able to see swap. Click on it, and after that, you will be able to redirect you to Jupiter provider page to complete the buy process, and you can buy this token then on your wallet. So this is how to buy Fitcoin token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.